Need a faster way to manage your Windows settings? Instead of searching through multiple menus, Wintoys puts many useful system options in one convenient place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to navigate its settings and customize your Windows experience safely. Let's dive in. Start by opening Wintoys from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. Once it launches, you'll arrive at the main dashboard, where different categories are organized in the navigation panel. Before changing anything, spend a moment exploring the available sections. You'll typically find categories for installed apps, system performance, health, tweaks, and other Windows management tools. Getting familiar with the layout makes it much easier to find the setting you need later. Next, select the Tweaks section. This is where you'll find many customization options for Windows. Depending on your system, you may see settings related to File Explorer, desktop behavior, the Start menu, taskbar, privacy, and other built-in Windows features. If you decide to change a setting, read its description first so you understand what it does. It's usually best to apply one change at a time instead of modifying several settings all at once. That way, if something doesn't work the way you expected, it's much easier to identify the cause. Once you've finished, review the settings you've changed and make sure Windows is behaving the way you want. Some adjustments may take effect immediately, while others could require signing out or restarting your computer. Creating a system restore point before making major changes is always a smart precaution, and that's how to manage Windows settings with Wintoys. By making thoughtful changes and reviewing each option carefully, you can personalize your PC while keeping everything running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.